Welcome back from an ad break. Now let us continue by looking at our questions, of which it's going to be question 5. And looking at this example, it is adapted from the Eastern Cape, November 2019, question 5. Now, the fundraising committee of a school is planning their annual spring dance. They decided on a venue that charges 7,500 for a function of 5 hours, with an additional charge of 900 per hour or part thereof. The venue accommodates 120 guests for the 3-course meal and dancing. Then question 5.1.1, it says identify the value that represents the fixed amount. So looking at this, what we are given, when you hire this wall, it simply means you will be charged for this venue, you will be charged 7,500. So that will be the fixed amount. Thereafter, if you spend more than the 5 hours that is allocated to you, it means you're going to pay an extra 900. So the 7,500 will be the fixed amount. Then 5.1.2 is the guests attending the dance discrete or continuous. So the correct answer here will be discrete, because the number of people is always regarded as a whole number, because a person is a whole. 5.1.3, if 45% of the people attending the dance are males, calculate the males at the dance. So this venue, they've said it allocates, or it will accommodate 120 guests. So we have 120 guests, and they are saying 45% of these guests were males. So we are going to multiply that by 45 over 100, so to get the number of guests. So it simply means we had 54 males attending this event. Then question 5.2.1. 5.2, the dance starts at 18:30 and it will end at 23:55. Determine the duration of the dance in hours and minutes. So in this case, what you can do, look at the mark allocation. It's simply 2 marks. So what you can do, you can take your 23:55, then you subtract 18:30. So this will give you 5 hours and 25 minutes. So this event, it lasted for 5 hours and 25 minutes. So there is your duration. Then 5.2.2, calculate the cost of the venue for 120 guests. So the cost of the venue, remember they have said their event lasted for 5 hours and 25 minutes. So according to what we are given, it said the venue charges 7,500, but if you spend more than 5 hours, it means you will be charged 900 per hour or part thereof. So now they have already added the 25 minutes, so it means they will be charged this 900 for part thereof. Now the venue was 7,500, and the extra 25 minutes of which they will be charged 900. So in total, it means they will be paying 8,400 for the venue. Right. Then 5.2.3, calculate the average amount each guest will pay for the 3-course meal and the dance. It means to be accommodated in this event, each person will have to pay. Let's calculate that. So in total, the venue will cost them 8,400. 8,400. Then how many people are attending this event? It's 120. 20 guests. So this means that each person will be paying an amount of 70 rand in order to cover all the costs on this event. Then 5.3, the dance floor is a square in the middle of the room with the side length of 6 meters. Calculate the perimeter of the dance floor, and you may use a formula that says perimeter is equals to 4 times side. So remember the properties of a square. A square, we know that all sides are equal, and in this case we are only given one dimension. So it simply means all the sides of this floor will be 6 meters. So now going to our formula, we substitute. We are given 4 multiplied by the side. So the side would be 6 meters. So 4 times 6 meters, it gives us 24 meters. Right, now we are going to take a quick ad break. I'll see you shortly.